Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel. As we have learned in our previous video that how we can query from JSON data. So today we are going to learn how we can query from nested JSONs. So if you haven't watched previous video, then link is in I button. So I'm going to create a JSON where we will have nested JSONs. So this is the nested JSON which I have created. So here I have declared address as a key, and where I have a list where I have defined year and area. So let me just insert this JSON into our table. So as I have already done in my previous video, so here I just need to upload it. So select the table, load data, and next, then select JSON data, then hit next, select the JSON data format, next, and then load. So it will load in few seconds. So it is loaded, only one row is there. So let's validate whether we have or not. So yes, we have. So here address and area, year, and the second. So let's create the query for this. So to get the data from nested JSON, so we have lateral keyword lateral, right? And then we have a function flatten, flatten, right? And then we need to pass keyword input. So input will be from source and the nested key name. So the nested key name is address, right? So I'm going to copy it and paste it here, and giving an alias like address itself. So ADDE, right? So this is the thing. Now we need to have the values from this key or nested JSON. So now I'm going to have it by this dot value, and value which we need is year as year, and then we will have the area as area. So again I'll just convert it to integer, and this will be as string, right? Let's run it. Let's see whether we have the data or not. Okay, so we are getting error. So what is the error? Unexpected lateral. Okay, so here I need to give comma also, because this is one table, and here again we are creating one more object of the nested JSON. So now let's run it. Okay, address dot, okay, so here it is triple D. Okay, here also triple D. Okay, so now let's run it again. Yes, so here we are getting null, and area also. Okay, what I'm doing, I don't know. So like this. So let's run it. Now we are getting the area. So now you can see we got two rows. So one for the 2017 and one for the 2018. So the row count will be increased as per the length of the nested JSON. Now let's just copy this and paste in our query, existing query which we have created. So this is the thing, location from, and here we need comma, then paste it this, and then two more columns we need. So here are they. So copy this address, and then again paste the second one, copy and paste it here. Now let's run it. We should have two rows with all the data. So guys, we got two rows as we got in our snowflake console, like this. So friends, this is the only thing which we need to do to get the data from nested JSON. In my next video we will learn how we can load data from AWS S3 bucket. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for my new videos. If you like the video, then please hit the like button also. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.